Hey guys, Guardian News here again. Just want to do a quick update. Things are still relatively quiet. This is the live cam of Old Faithful Geyser. And but in the meantime, since she's quiet, I wanted to play some clips of what's going on around the world on other volcanoes besides Yellowstone. So sit back and enjoy, and some great epic footage of these other volcanoes like Mount St. Helens and one in Mexico and a couple other ones around the world. So, all right.
18th, 1980, the volcano blew its top. Como4's Bob Thronson says Crockett was an eyewitness to what he called hell on earth.
On that Sunday morning, this was the mountain Dave Crockett came to photograph. It is 8:32 a.m.
I knew I had to get out of there. I started down the valley, look at my rearview mirror, and there's just a wall of debris, mud, steam, rocks, boulders, and full-size trees just rolling along. The whole valley's disappearing behind me. Came down here, ended up right here. I was right about here. The whole this whole little area here just disappeared in front of me completely. It's just a big explosion of mud and trees, and I was just blocked off. At that point, I just jumped out of my car, grabbed my film camera, and I went right up there in that ridge where I had a view just over the trees of the mountain, and I could see what was happening. I opened the door and the alarm started going off, but it was kind of the least of my concerns at that point. The ground was moving, I could feel the earthquakes. The wind is being sucked up towards the mountain, towards the blast. By this time you can hear the mountain rumbling, constant rumbling, grinding, growling sound. I had this huge cloud of material with lightning and blue and purple colors, rumbling. You could see lightning hitting the ground. I had to get away from that.
Dave starts walking uphill, through the steaming mud, through the ash cloud. He turns on the camera and starts to talk.
Oh, dear God, whoever finds this, I don't know. Oh, you can't see this, I'm sure it's too dark.
Planets. They provide life, but also can take life away. Here's our list of the top 5 volcano eruptions caught on camera. At number 5, we have Mexico's Popocatépetl volcano, which erupted in 2013. Popocatépetl erupts every few years. Nearby residents have learned to stay well clear of this volcano. Last year, Mount Shindig erupted in Japan, which covered nearby towns in ash and dust for weeks. Luckily, the volcano is situated on an island, so most of the magma flowed safely into the ocean below. These mountain climbers are certainly lucky to be alive after Mount Kushino Arabajima erupted in Japan. They quickly take cover behind rocks to shield themselves from the elements. Costa Rica's Turrialba volcano erupted also last year. No one was reported to have been killed, but nearby airports and facilities had to be shut down for days until the ash subsided. Perhaps the most famous of all volcanoes, Mount St. Helens erupted in 1980. 57 people died in this eruption, making it one of the most deadly volcano eruptions in modern times.